project that we have conceived as a final year project was named by our team as Blue Wasp. It means wind assisted ship propulsion, that is, and the energy which we tap for this particular project is wind. That's why it's termed as a blue, so the name comes as Blue Wasp. The main intention behind our idea of assuming this as our final year project was to bring into limelight the discussions and researches that are being taking place in the maritime field in order to combat climate change, reduce pollution, reduce emissions from the ships, etc. The project involves the usage of a theory such as named the Magnus effect, and the concept was long discovered by a German scientist named Andrew Flettner, but how it went into a back burner. Those days it was invented because of the recession of the 1930s. Since as the recession died away, the researchers in this field was gradually put on the back burner. So now it is time again. The recession has again sprung up in the world. So the researchers are being further conducted in this field. So we have so whatever little efforts that we could provide in this field, hence we are. This is the main reason why we are assuming this project.
The working principle of my project is Magnus effect, which means that a rotor means a round cylinder. When it is rotated in a medium, here the medium is wind, and the rotating cylinder is rotated in the wind. One side of the cylinder assists the flow of the wind, so there the velocity increases. As a result, the pressure decreases, which depends upon the Bernoulli's principle. And the other side, the velocity decreases because the rotation of the cylinder acts as a hindrance to the motion of the wind. So there the velocity decreases, as a result the pressure increases. So there is a pressure difference which is created on the two sides of the cylinder. So there is a lift force which is generated due to this pressure difference. As a result, this lift force tries to move the boat, which increases the speed of the boat. And this lift force is calculated with the help of a theorem known as Kutta-Joukowski theorem. From this Kutta-Joukowski theorem, the lift force F is equal to half rho omega r VAL, where rho is the density of the fluid, omega is the angular velocity, r is the radius of the rotating cylinder, then V is the velocity, L is the length of the cylinder. We kept 2 or 3 selection criteria for the hull. First one is the stability of the hull. Then the second one is the hydrodynamic shape of the hull. Third one is the resistance due to the hull. For this pedal boat, which we selected first, one of the advantages of this pedal boat is that it has got good stability due to the waterplane area. Disadvantages of this pedal boat is that it's freeboard. Freeboard is very less. And the second one is hydrodynamic shape of this pedal boat is against our design criteria. So we went for another boat, that is FRP fishing boat, fiber reinforced plastic fishing boat. The test conducted in this FRP boat, we found that it is very suitable for our project because it has got very good hydrodynamic characteristics. Also the stability of this FRP boat is very good. So we selected this as our hull. The second one is the design of our rotor. Design of our rotor mainly consists of various dimensions of rotor, that is the length of the rotor, diameter of the rotor, also the speed of rotation, which we have to rotate it for the generation of this lift force. And the various calculations, we obtained the length of the rotor as 3 meter and the diameter of the rotor we kept as 0.3 meter, and the rotational speed is around 650 rpm. So in order to rotate this rotor, we selected the Primor as a DC series motor. It has got various advantages like the very high starting torque. That is one of the most important characteristics of a DC series motor. Also, we selected this DC motor because of the advantage that we can reverse the rotation of the rotor. If we can reverse the rotation of rotor, if wind is blowing from one side, we rotate it in one direction, and if the wind is blowing from other direction, we can reverse the rotation so that the lift is in same direction. So we got higher maneuverability for this boat.
The merits associated with Blue Wasp, which was our project, is certain points are reduced fuel consumption and better utilization of wind energy than sails, reduced emission of greenhouse gases, then better maneuverability can be achieved by using the Fleckner rotors, then higher angle of the wind can be utilized. If these Fleckner rotors are implemented in ships, certain drawbacks are there. The main thing is the stability issues concerned, and also the cargo spaces are reduced when we implement such a large rotor onto the ship. Then future concept associated with the project was a concept known as the cloud albedo method. In this concept, certain modifications if we made on our project, we can spray water droplets into the atmosphere so that a cloud can be made in the atmosphere. Since the droplets are very fine, the whitish appearance of the cloud can be increased so that the sun's rays can be reflected back, so that the greenhouse effect can be reduced.